Hi, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I am good and you?
I am fine, thanks you.
What's your name?
My name is Max, and your name?
My name is Hania. Nice to meet you, Max.
Nice to meet you too, Hania.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada. What about you?
I am from United States. Where do you live?
I live in Ottawa, and you?
I live in New York.
How old are you?
I am 26 years old, and you?
I am 22 years old. What do you do?
I am a teacher. What about you?
I work at the hospital.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one younger brother. What about you?
I have 3 sisters.
Great. Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling. What is your favorite food?
I love sushi. What's yours?
I really like pasta.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat, do you?
No, I don't have any pets.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read books and watch movies.
What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy romantic music.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak English and Urdu. What about you?
I can speak English and a little bit of Spanish.
What is your favorite season?
I like spring. What about you?
I prefer summer. Do you like sports?
Yes, I like playing tennis. Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play soccer.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Fast and Furious 3. Do you like to cook?
Yes, I like to cook Italian food.
Do you have any hobbies?
I enjoy playing guitar and cycling.
Do you like to play video games?
Yes, I do. What is your dream job?
I want to be a pilot. And you?
I want to be a prime minister.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
Do you like reading newspapers?
Sometimes I read the news online.
Have you ever been to another country?
Yes, I have visited Germany and Australia. Have you traveled abroad?
Yes, I have been to the United Kingdom and Japan.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I like to relax at home or visit friends. Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping for clothes.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I am a morning person. What is your favorite holiday?
I love New Year's Day. Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I like to run in the park.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I enjoy dancing. Do you like watching TV shows?
Yes, I like watching comedies.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango. What's your favorite fruit?
I love apples. What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is tea.
Do you like to go to the beach?
Yes, I enjoy going to the beach. Do you enjoy cooking for others?
Yes, I like cooking for my family.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar and piano.
What is your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is the jasmine.
Do you like to watch movies at home or in the cinema?
I enjoy going to the cinema. Do you like gardening?
Yes, I grow vegetables in my garden.
What is your favorite type of weather?
I like sunny weather. What about you?
I enjoy rainy days. Do you like to go to concerts?
Yes, I enjoy going to concerts.
Do you like working in a team or alone?
I prefer working in a team.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I enjoy spicy dishes. What is your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is ice cream. What's yours?
I love chocolate cake.
Do you like to swim?
Yes, I love swimming in the sea.
Do you like to read before bed?
Yes, it helps me relax. I read every night.
Do you like trying new foods?
Yes, I love trying new dishes.
Do you prefer hot or cold drinks?
I like cold drinks.
Do you like surprises?
Yes, I think surprises are fun.
Do you like to wake up early or sleep in?
I like to wake up early. How about you?
I prefer to sleep in.
Do you like to travel by plane?
Yes, I like traveling by plane.
Do you like to write?
Yes, I enjoy writing stories.
Do you like to wear casual or formal clothes?
I prefer formal clothes. Do you like fast food?
Sometimes I do.
Do you like to go camping?
Yes, I enjoy camping in the summer.
I love camping in the mountains.
What is your favorite day of the week?
I like Friday the most.
Do you like to ride bicycles?
Yes, I ride my bike every weekend. Do you like to take pictures?
Yes, I love photography.